This video about how to install your local instance of Drupal 8. Um, what you need is a dev desktop. That's from Acquia. That's not from me. That's Acquia. So dev.acquia.com/downloads and download and just follow the instructions. So here we go. Okay, did it download? So as you can see, I already have a local instance of it, but I need to update it to. There's a version of 7.3 right now. And basically just follow instructions after this. And I'll be back once it's finished. So here, click finish. And let's launch it, the Acquia. And let's close this. As you can see, I have old sites here. Let's create a new site. Here you will see a bunch of different installation of Drupal. So it's like flavors of Drupal. And they all have different installation profile. Drupal 8 is like the standard right now. Lightning, it's like what's bare minimum to install. Let's look at the rest. So e-commerce, like for example, if you want to build an e-commerce site, click on that. And if you want to build education, click on Atrium, go for government, and just explore the rest and read the details about it. It's all about reading the documentation. And for now, let's install for Drupal 7, that's Drupal 7. And now let's install Drupal 8. Here, let's just put a generic folder name. Drupal AA1 testing, and just copy and paste it. For Drupal 8, it requires at least version 881 requires at least version 7.2. You can use 7.3 if you like. 7.2 is okay. And let's create a new database. Hit finish. And now it's going to install Drupal. Put in your laptop's username and password. And there you have it. You have a new installed Drupal. And now we're going to and this one is, if you want to see the database, click on the database. It'll be a blank database since we didn't do anything yet. Okay, so now let's install it. Just put in a site name, email address, username, and password. I think something wrong with my computer. It keeps jumping around. Let's just skip this for now. Let's use a UTC. Let me just skip it. Click save and continue. And here's your Drupal 8 installation.